Welcome to NDTV. I'm Rohit Khilnani. Joining me is Angad Bedi from his home. Angad, how are you? Now, this is the way to do interviews, so let's just start enjoying these. Are you enjoying these?
How are you, sir? Getting used to them. It's new normal, as they say. But
Right.
meeting you face to face and talking to you in person would have been a lot more fun. But nevertheless, I'd rather be speaking to you than not at all. So I think let's make most of this situation that is available to us.
Absolutely. That's very kind of you, Angad. Congratulations. Gunjan Saxena is out. What have you been hearing? What all are your thoughts from whatever people have told you?
The critics have written pretty well. तो वो क्या होता है वो पहला जो हमारा एग्जाम है वो हमारा पास हो चुका है. So I feel that अब जब लोग देखेंगे, there are a lot now. It's streaming live now. People can watch it anytime. I feel that now they need to connect with the film and they need to like it and show their love to it, because it's a very sensitive film. It's not, a war film. The backdrop of the film is war, but it is more of a family film. It's more about the emotion that, a family goes through while being on the journey with Gunjan. So I feel that it is a very simple, beautiful, sweet emotion, which, I feel at some level, हर किसी के घर में ऐसी situation हुई है और हर माता पिता या भाई बहन ऐसे दौर से गुजरे हैं. So मैं खुद ऐसे दौर से गुजरा हूँ. मेरी खुद की बहन है जो वैसे हालांकि 1.5 साल बड़ी है. So but she has been for me, she's always, for her it's been a situation that he's my younger brother, so she's always bullied me. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि Angad, what kind of work he's doing in his professional field. It doesn't matter. For her, I'm her younger brother. So it just brings back so many memories, and I'm very grateful to Sharan to have picked me to give me such a lovely moment, through this film.
It's interesting what you were talking about your family, Angad. When I interviewed Pankaj ji also, he was saying, बहुत कम माँ बाप थे उस समय में जो equally अपने भाई बहन को, they'll raise them like, with proper equality, let them do the things they want to do. How was upbringing in your house? Like you're saying, your sister and you, what was that like?
Well, for me, when I was growing up, things were very different. Reason because my father was a professional athlete. He was playing cricket for India. At the same time, my mom, she was a working woman, and both my parents have been professionals. Yes, obviously, as we progressed on with years, my mother decided to, look after us and spend a lot more time with us, and she sacrificed her time, which we really value and support. And also the thing is that, but my father was very clear that you could be brothers and sisters, but you both have to get out there and work for your own living. We were never given anything on a platform like a pedestal and said ki nahi, or any special treatment was dished out to my sister. My sister's name is also Neha, but nothing like that. I remember my sister working as soon as she graduated out of university, and she joined NDTV. She worked with NDTV and for about 6 to 7 years, and that was the time she flourished a lot. And my father was very encouraging. He said that even if you want to pick up sport or any other profession, just go out there and believe in your dreams. And we had the backing. Yes, it was a bit difficult for me initially, because when everybody thought I'll get into sport, even I thought that, because I was playing pretty well and I represented state under 16, under 19. But my passion was cinema, and I could just never express myself because वो घराने में ही sport चलता था. So then you start enjoying it, and you dwell into it, and then you go to the ground, you start practicing. Your friends are cricketers, all that happens, right? So, but अंदर मुझे deep down inside, I always wished to be an actor. I used to show up at my वो जो हमारे स्कूल में जब elocution या ड्रामा हो रहा होता था, तो मैं ऐसे दरवाजा खोल के झांक कर देखता था कि I wish I could be standing there and performing.
Wow.
So I guess I had really put it out there in the universe that, and I grew up on Mr. Bachchan films. Everybody knows that. And I love that man. He's a legend. And, I wanted to be, my dream was that one day I would wish to be in the same frame as Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. And I think I put it out there so much that it actually happened. I feel that we've been very, fortunately for us, we've had very supportive parents.
Right. When someone says Gunjan Saxena, a film about the Air Force pilot, fighter pilot, one would think that it's a war film because we've grown up with movies with JP Datta. Every time he made a war film, there'll be a war cry, there'll be slogans, there'll be dialogues which would be, which would go a long way. Is this not in that space? That's what you're telling the viewers, that this is a family film and not a out and out war movie?
Yeah, because I feel, we've done war films I feel there have been so many war films now. Like even the last one, Uri, which just like clocked some, crazy numbers at the box office.
Yeah.
So what happens is that you need to give audience something different. And I felt that, apart from having a lot of physical presence and power,
right?
What happens is that you need to understand I feel a soldier or an officer, you need to understand the emotion behind them.
Right.
They're also they're very sensitive people. They are very, they also have families. They've left their families at home. For them, every single day, wo border pe khade hain. It's a life and death situation, and they've signed up for it, and they know. So they don't make a very big deal about it.
Right.
So I feel that they hold their emotion back so well. And in this film also, you will see the same thing. It's like, as far as Anshuman Saxena is concerned, who plays brother to Gunjan Saxena, for me, a lot of people might think differently, but this is how I feel, sir. And it's one of my trickiest roles I've ever done. It's a very tricky part.
I wanted to ask you exactly, since you are a person, Angad, your wife Neha is an independent woman, you will support her and everything, and you have, whether it's your sister or any woman in your family and friends, this brother doesn't want his sister to go out, and join the Air Force. Was it tricky to, how it will be perceived, how people will think about you?
You see, so the thing is that, it's not that he doesn't want her.
Right.
He's aware of, that there is a certain, he's aware of the situation that is there outside in the society. In the 90s especially, it was very male dominated. Right. And he believes in her talent because, see, he's an officer. He's an army officer, Anshuman Saxena.
Right.
He knows how to respect another officer. But,
right.
He's always literally is walking on eggshells when it comes to his own sisters, because a lot of times he doesn't know whether he's talking to an Air Force officer or is he talking to his own blood sister.
Right, right,
so, he has to show respect to her being an officer. At the same time, this is his own kid sister. So how is he going to deal with that emotion? So exactly. He's being respectful because he doesn't wish to turn her away.
Yeah.
But at the same time, अब वो soldier का DNA क्या है कि अगर मुझे जान देनी पड़ेगी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But यहाँ पर तो उल्टा हो गया ना उसके साथ, because यहाँ पर तो उसकी बहन एक Air Force officer बन गई. Now he himself is in Kargil with her. So right. What is happening is that at one level he's literally in a huge conflict. Which I feel that
situation, right?
Yeah, which I feel that neither the father understands, and neither he's not being able to express it completely. He's held back. If you see, he talks to her with a very held back tone. He's not being, he's not angry at her. He's not being able to express what he wishes to say. He believes in her talent, but he's fearful of the fact that why. Here's my sister, and now she's an officer, and her life is going to be on the line. How is she going to be treated? She is talented, fair enough, but is she mentally prepared? Is she emotionally prepared to take on this task? Because it's not just
like an older brother, and it comes from a place of love and
concern
to secure your sister. Right?
Yeah, and concern.
And concern, right? Now when we watch this film, everybody will watch this in a very different way. I watched it. I'm extremely, I can't say much, but extremely proud of Gunjan Saxena. The way at the time she made it. What is your reaction? And when you watched it, when you did this movie, when you heard her story, what is your reaction as a guy in 2020? What do you have to say about Gunjan Saxena?
See, sir, my only thing is that, now that I have a daughter in Meher, I want Meher to have a hero in Gunjan Saxena. Really. Yeah. I wish that, I'm all for, I'm a very proud Indian. Why? Not because of the fact that I belong to a family which, where my father played cricket for India for 20 years. Yes, that's a big aspect to me. But I feel that what makes my heart really swell in pride is people like Duti Chand, like Sania Mirza, like my own wife who's made it on her own, Deepika Padukone, Mithali Raj, Smriti Mandana, Sania Nahiwal, and PT Usha back in the day. I feel that these are the names that come to me, and I feel that these women have made our country so proud. They put our country on the map. And like tomorrow, I wish that my daughter, our daughter Neha and our daughter Meher takes interest in apart from, well, if she wants to go into academic, it's totally her call, but I would love to push her in sport or in dramatics or in any artistic field that she wishes to be part of, because I feel that is what is important. I feel that according to me, it's not a man's world, sir. Why should it be a man's world when the woman has the ability? आदमी कहाँ से आया है? एक माँ की कोख से आया है. So अगर आदमी माँ की कोख से आया है, तो how can it be a man's world?
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? So I feel that Gunjan Saxena gives that emotion.
Right. I hope more people talk like you. And you're also saying that, you would want your daughter to be inspired by her. There can't be a bigger endorsement than that. So that is amazing. During the lockdown, you are having releases. So is that exciting as well?
It is. Why? Because, yes, it's a film which has been formatted for a theatrical release. We have all grown up watching films on the 70mm and idolizing our idols. I feel that, as it's the new normal, OTT is definitely here to stay. I have made a career in shows like Inside Edge with Excel Entertainment and Verdict, as I played a lawyer. They both were featured on the OTT platform, and I feel as an actor, as an artist, you want to connect with people and reach out to those people who are actually maybe not going to the theaters, especially the millennials, because you need to cater to them. And for me, I have always had a younger audience, and I want to reach my younger audience all the time. So if it is through Netflix, and Netflix has such a wide reach where they reach literally millions of homes globally, worldwide. And the last film which did phenomenally well was produced by the Russo brothers, Extraction, which it was all over Netflix and everybody around the world saw it. So it gives us a lot of hope. And today, Dharma backing Gunjan Saxena, and Netflix putting it on their platform. For me, it's very heartening, because I want to reach the homes in various parts of the world where people who I haven't met or interacted with, who get to see my work again. So I feel that it is a great opportunity. I think the OTT and the cinemas are definitely going to be here. They have to collaborate, and they will be here to stay. Like you have to accept both forms, and yes, there will be films like, if it is made on the level of an Avengers, then you want that cinematic experience, and you will go to the theaters. But for everything else, and a very beautiful film like Gunjan Saxena or any other film that is made now, if it comes on the OTT, people will really consume it well.
Great, amazing. Thank you so much, Angad, for talking to NDTV. Thank you very much, and good luck.
Thank you.